in this video, I will be guiding you through how to start using options trading on Robinhood so you can understand the basics and trade responsibly. So, first, you will have to make sure options trading is enabled in your account. You will have to go to your account settings, apply for options access, and read educational materials. Next, you will learn two basic types: calls, which is buy right to buy, and puts, buy right to sell, and decide on your strategy, which is simple buy or sell or spreads. After that, you will open the options chain for a stock, pick an expiration date, and select a strike price that matches your outlook. Then you will choose buy or sell, enter the number of contracts, select an order type, market or limit, and review margin requirements and risks. Finally, confirm the trade and monitor it closely, using stop orders or closing the position before expiration if needed. Quick tip: practice with small positions or paper trading to learn Greeks and risk prior to larger trades. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.